Good evening, everyone. My name is Raqueline Ciso, and I work with Healthy Families in Nassau, and we are located at West Hempstead on Hempstead Turnpike. Our address is 300 Hempstead Turnpike in West Hempstead. My title is I am an FSS and FRS, which means Family Support Specialist and Family Resource Specialist. I've been working with our agency for about a year now, and I'm here to tell you about what we offer in this program. It is a free program, and it is totally voluntary. We do help women who are pregnant, who are expecting, up to after they give birth until the third month. So the criteria for our program, again, is either if you are pregnant or have recently had a baby and they are under 3 months. Our free program offers pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum care. We help the mother and the family build a strong bond with your child even before they're born. We offer interactive play and activities that help your baby learn and grow. We manage the day-to-day stress. We help manage the day-to-day stresses of parenting. For example, we offer a curriculum that we bring to our families weekly or bi-weekly, once a month, every 3 months, every 6 months, or once a year. And that all depends on your child's age. But we can stay with the family until the baby is 5 years old. We also help our family members to connect with resources in the community. That being food pantries in the area. We help them find where to find health insurance. We help them apply for childcare assistance and even SNAP. The goal of our program is to empower families. We help them to advocate for themselves and build self-confidence. We also want to prevent child abuse and neglect. How we do this is by visiting the families, as mentioned before, at their home visits. What is a home visit like? An FSS provides activities to do with your child, and the parent actively participates in the visit with the child. We encourage the parent to engage with the child and the worker during these activities. These activities can be tummy time. We can read a book to the child. We can sing songs to the child, and this all promotes brain development and promotes our goal of raising healthy families. Your caseworker, if your family chooses to join, observes the child and parent interactions, observes the emotions and expressions with both the parent and the child. This helps the FSS to promote a healthy environment in the home. The FSS will build trust with the family, and we will actively work on goals with the family as well. Goals can be short-term, they can be long-term. For example, many goals that we work on with our families are something as simple as going back to school, learning how to speak English, moving to an apartment could be an intermediate goal. Possibly buying a house would be a long-term goal, a bigger goal that we can help our families obtain in the near future or the long term. We have various businesses that we work with. We're working currently with Chase, and we are providing our families with a couple of sessions on how to manage money, on how to eventually buy a house to save money, how to invest your money, how to build your credit. And this will benefit our families greatly for a lot of their goals that they have, which many of our families' goals are to buy a home. Our program is much more than just the home visiting and the curriculum. Our program offers a community of moms and dads, and we often get together during the year. For example, in the fall time, we go pumpkin picking with the children and the families, all provided, the cost is all taken care of by our agency. We also do family Christmas party where we provide gifts for our families. The children's write a wish list and we provide gifts for them at our Christmas party, and we all get together and enjoy a great time with our families. Everyone meets families in the community, and it's a great time. We are going to have a picnic this summer for our families. We're going to have a barbecue, and everyone gets to see each other and talk and create connections with other moms, other dads in the area. Along with this, we also offer very important help for mental health for our families. It is very important that our families receive resources that help them with their mental health. We can refer them to many agencies or counseling centers in the area that they can visit or call according to their insurance, and they can receive the help they need if they seek help, mental help. Our program is totally voluntary, as mentioned before. It's free, and if our families would like, they can stay with us until the child is 5 years old. If you're interested in joining our program, you can give us a call, and the first step would be to set up an appointment to visit with an FRS, and you can give a call at 516-279-4130. The first step would be to make an appointment, learn more in depth about our program, because there are many more things that we can offer. After the first initial appointment and information, and all the information that was provided, if you decide to join our program, we will enroll you in the program, and then we can start with our weekly visits as soon as the following week. We encourage all moms, dads, single moms, married moms. There's not much criteria to join besides the one mentioned before. If you're pregnant or recently had a child under 3 months, we encourage them to join our program and to learn more, because even if you are a first-time mom or have 2 or 3 children already, you always learn something new. You can always learn something new. And we're here to offer all the support for our families that are in need of it. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope to hear from everyone soon. Again, our phone number is 516-279-4130. You can ask to speak to the program supervisor, who is Fatima Perry, and we will contact you with a FSS soon thereafter. Thank you, everyone. Have a great evening.